Hi everybody. Today is our class on engineering project management. First, before that, I will give you short and simple quiz for your study. Number one, what is the purpose of the project charter? Number two, which project management methodologies emphasize interactive development and collaboration between cross-functional teams? Number three, what is milestone in project management? Number four, what is scope creep in the project management? Number five, which stage of product life cycle is characterized by low sales, high cost, and a negative profit? Number six, at what stage or at which stage of product life cycle are profit margin usually at their highest? Number seven, in which stage of product life cycle is a company most likely to reduce price to maintain a market share? Number eight, what is the following factor typically leads to the transition of the product into decline stage? And number nine, what is the typical primary marketing focus during the maturity stage of product life cycle? And the last one, which of the following is considered a constraint in the project management? Okay, answer this on any paper, any notes, and bring your answer during our next class. Yeah, you can search the answers from any sources, up to you for your study. Okay, introduction of project management, which is we call it project engineering management, is most likely involve technology and also involve the principle of engineering, ensuring they are complete, efficient and effectively. That's the most important. Complete within the time and with the cost given allocated. Okay, the complex engineering project is successful when we say the technical requirement, deadlines, and budget constraints are successfully managed. That's the project management. Okay. The efficient of the streamline process. Okay. The risk management, we have to mitigate the potential risk in every stage of the project, especially early of the life cycle. QC, which is deliverable bits and predefined quality standard. We have to deliver what we promised in the contract, for example. Okay. If we take the example, if you want to see the mega project, this Menara Petronas or Twin Tower, we have show the details project meticulously to manage all the construction, logistic, challenge, many things from beginning of the selection of the site itself. That's the challenge of mega project. Okay. Some other example, example Toyota Production System TPS, which is change the automotive manufacturing system throughout lean and continuous improvement. Healthcare and others, and also another good example is Amazon warehouse, how they manage and advance of the complex warehouse with the robotic and also very automated algorithm. Okay, some other tools and technique in the project or industrial engineering, time motion studies. When you talk about time motion study, the one of the important things is on detailed processes and also eliminating unnecessary movement and necessary processes that no value added to the product or to the process itself. Okay, values remapping VSM and also some others like economic. We have to design the workplace and also processes within the capability of our workers, reduce strains and increase the productivity to become the best among the manufacturing processes. Okay, lean manufacturing, we can say lean is a systematic approach of removing non-value added activities and improving the processes, and finally improve or uh, optimize the cost for the product process. That's a lean manufacturing. Okay. Key principle we define from the customer side. Example, customer always want us to manufacturer to the product or to the supplier. We always demand for the best quality with the lowest cost. Example, okay, of course, quality come with the cost, but best quality with the minimum cost. Okay, that's the principle of lean, and also ensure smooth flow of product and service. We change we improve the processes, but we don't want the production or the process is stopped or interrupted. Okay, and also pulling. Pulling means that we didn't push our product to the next process. We wait for their pull, or in market base, we call it market demand. But in the processor, we call it pull. Okay. Fashion is we continuously striving for the improvement and the best for the system. Okay. Six Sigma, this is the I will touch more detail on this later. Okay, anyway, this is the 1-2 page first. Six Sigma is data-driven methodology for the detailed study to eliminate the defect, eliminate the losses, and improve the quality and also quantity and everything. QCDM to the processors by reducing the potential causes or reducing the variable. The Six Sigma methodology using DMAIC for the process. You can define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. That's the DMAIC. Yeah? Okay. Then identify the problem and project. This is define, measure, we collect data and establish the baseline performance or KPI. Analyze, determine the root cause of the defect. We study detail, many things we can use. Improve, implement the solution, and also we do the project itself. Then we analyze before. And control, we maintain the improvement and we monitor and process and we expand this to other lines. Okay, that's the Six Sigma methodology. It's very good tools. Okay. This is the flow example. Or for design, they call it DMADV. Design is we call it DMADV, which is define, measure, analyze, design, and validate. DMADV. DV is design and validate. Last one. Change from here. Design and validate. DMADV. Okay, the example on it. Some other tools we have basic 7 QC tools, basic advanced QC tools, and this is a few example. Control chart, we will monitor the processes by time, over time. Some control chart we do it hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly, depend on what item we see. Okay, that's control chart. Pareto chart is actually like this. This is the image of Pareto chart. We identify the most significant factor to contribute to the problem. Some rule we call it 18-7-20. Example, we have this here is the main one or top 3, and then this is this one is a number and this one is the percentage of each. You see here 105 is actually 26.9% of the total of this, and finally they accumulate until the end, it become 100%, okay, of this one. Then we will solve the problem that we facing the most. Example, if the Pareto here is very big, then we solve only one, but we can also solve 3 one time. Example, that's up to us. Okay, this is the some other example, simple. Sometimes others is higher at the end. Okay, for the fishbone, this is the fishbone chart. Example, we use man, machine, material, and method, but some other types also we can use for fishbone. Not only man, machine, method, and material. Okay, all this really affect to the finals here. Okay, strategic management. We can say the strategic management involve many things, especially blue ocean strategy, and also it's not a repetition. Strategy is actually major goals and also top management and involve of quite high resources and also impact on some other things like internal, external, environmental, something. That's a strategic management. Example, if in energy, okay, we say we want to have uh, net zero 2050, example, 2050, then we have to plan from now how to make it net zero. Net zero means we use carbon, then we have to offset, or we minimize the usage of carbon itself. Okay, that's the strategic management. Of course, there is some flow. Example, we have a vision mission that we define the long term for the projects or for the company itself. Then we scan the or we prepare the internal and also some other. You can use SWOT, ESTER, DMAIC, or so whatever. Okay. This is the tools. Then formulate the strategy and evaluate and control by time, or we revise it, and also we implement and allocate the resources to ensure that our strategic planning well defined, well planned, well doing, and also well managed to be to get the desired output. That's the strategy. SWOT analysis, we can use this strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat for engineering project itself. We can study all this and we do thoroughly on SWOT analysis to ensure that our project with we have, especially on weakness and on threat, and maybe we see this and we do some study on risk management, what happened next, everything. Okay, and for competitive advantage and positioning, this is the example. We take cost leadership, we become lowest cost in the industry, or advanced product but competitive cost or something like that. And we offer unique product or service to our customer. That's the competitive advantage. We have the competitiveness and positioning, branding, and everything. Okay. Case study example for the strategy management engineering. Example, last time Apple start innovation and different product design and technology. Then they push out to have, example, a big screen, a full screen handphone. Example, that time is not yet famous or maybe not yet in the market. Means I didn't say that they are the first, but they take the market and success. Or make example, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This is a global supply chain for advanced material to assemble this Boeing. They have a lot of materials and semi-finished parts from worldwide, and how they manage to assemble the Dreamliner with very advanced global supply chain in order to ensure that the smooth of supply for each aeroplane or each Boeing demand by customer. And it not that simple. Okay, and some other fact and figures for strategic planning. In example, we have project management, um, some other things like we have strategic goal, all this. This is some example. And project normally 20% higher efficiency and productivity if we well define strategic planning. Depend. Otherwise, our profit will become less and sometimes become critical because of we didn't plan well enough for our project management. Project planning and scheduling. Example, we can use some other things like normal Gantt chart. We present project schedule. Example, Microsoft Project software or agile methodologies. We can use example for Scrum and Kanban for the project management, or Google Project Aristotle, and also some other things like other software. I mean, okay. Risk management, we have to have risk management and risk mitigation. Example, such as the risk to minimize the impact. Of course, sometimes we cannot avoid the risk. We have to go through and manage it and minimize or mitigate the problem. That's the risk management. And we have the tools and analysis and response if there is a risk. Okay. Okay. Resources and allocation. We have to manage the efficient resources. Example, people, money, materials, then all those resources that we allocate properly, and we manage to have proper cost project management. Communication and leadership skill. This is the example of effective communication and leadership for the success. Otherwise, breakdown communication will become costly because every changes need to deliver to many parties. Example for the big construction and all that. And communication skill is very important. Must be consistent, transparent information flow. Okay, then tools we have a lot. Example, basic one is that we just do some meetings and some emails. That's basic. But anyway, some of that some people can miss out. Okay, team building and motivation. Beside that, we also have from time to time we have to have team building, people collaboration, commitment, and motivation in order for us to be success in project management and project construction or manufacturing projects. Okay, um, this is the G life cycle. Previously, I asked you to do some example of product life cycle, but since now G life cycle example refer to stage of technology goes through from inception until obsolescence. This is the definition of the technology. Not only product, we also have process life cycle and also technology life cycle. Okay, stage planning, development, implementation, and exploitation. There are also some other things. Okay, and also obsolescence. I mean that declining in use, replaced by new technology. Okay, and also renewal. We update, upgrade, improve, replacing to meet the current needs by customer in their daily life. Okay. Case study example is evolution of TV from CRT to LED. I think some of the sites told you already. Okay. Automotive example transition from ICE to EV. Currently we have EV hybrid or something that's market share of total EV. Software maybe we have some other paid software based from simple to advanced and from advanced to more higher and more better, more easier. Okay, that's how they evolve. Okay, renewable energy technologies, example, life cycle of wind turbine technology from big blade to smaller and from some other tools, planning, development, all this recycling turbine also. Okay, for the renewable energy harvesting, as an example, short example. Okay, lastly, this is the way on. This is our topic, but I want to show you how to write your document or journal papers file name. This is additional. Example, my coding is up to you. You can change it on your own, up to you. But this is my way of writing. Example, J is journal, proceedings or books. J, year, what year of the then journal name or proceeding name, or if books and this is publisher, then authors short form, example authors, okay, and keyword example this one OHP, BTMS, EV, tubular flame, Six Sigma, metallurgy books. That's the example, and this is the you can use this framework for you to manage the filing, and also from that file name, then you know what's the content of the file. Okay, that's example only. Okay, if any question, then you can text me anytime. Okay, and thank you.